The McCulloch MC1275 Steam Cleaner is a versatile tool with an impressive array of 18 accessories, making it perfect for tackling various cleaning tasks throughout the home. This steam cleaner offers a chemical-free cleaning solution utilizing high-temperature steam to effectively remove dirt and grime from multiple surfaces without the need for harsh chemicals. Designed with car enthusiasts in mind, the MC1275 excels in personal car detailing, reaching difficult spots and ensuring a spotless finish. With a large 48-ounce water tank, this steam cleaner provides up to 45 minutes of continuous steam, reducing the need for frequent refills during extensive cleaning sessions. The extended reach provided by a 15-foot power cord and 9-foot steam hose allows for easy access to hard-to-reach areas, enhancing its maneuverability. Lightweight and easy to handle, the MC1275 is ideal for both everyday cleaning and heavy-duty tasks, offering a reliable cleaning performance trusted by professionals.